You don't need to be a professional video editor or know how to use all these complicated editing softwares for you to create a YouTube intro or outro. I'll be showing you how to do this in like 10-15 minutes. You can do this with this free tool that I'll be sharing with you in this video. So stick with me to the end because I'm going to be showing you how you can use this tool to create your intro or your outro. My name is Charles and I'm passionate about people and businesses. I love to see people and businesses grow, and that's what I do in this channel. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, turn on the notification. I create videos about online marketing, business, life, entrepreneurship, and make money online. So like, share, drop a comment in the comment section if you don't understand anything, you have something that you want to share. Using a YouTube intro and outro is a good way for you to brand yourself or brand your business. It can help you, stand apart from all other videos, stand apart from your competition by giving your videos that polished or professional look. It can also create the mood, set the tone for your video, and also help establish your brand identity. So you may want to include things like your channel's logo, your name, and other branding elements in your YouTube intro and outro so that viewers can remember your channel and also come back for more content. By using the same intro and outro for your videos, you're like giving the audience a sense of continuity and familiarity, which would help build trust between you and your viewers. And it's also going to increase the possibility of your viewers subscribing to your channel. That's why using an intro is important. Your outro is a perfect place for you to include a call to action. For example, you could ask your viewers to like, to comment, or to subscribe to your channel. You could also point them to a relevant content or other content on your channel, which would help increase the views on your channel. It's going to help increase, the quality of your channel and also the branding of your channels. So let's get started with creating this. We are going to be using Canva to do this. Go to canva.com. And then here you can see you can create a lot of things with Canva, but we are interested in creating a YouTube video intro. So you can see here YouTube video, click on YouTube video, or you go here and search for YouTube video, or either ways you click on videos and then click YouTube video. So I'm going to click on YouTube video. And then as you can see, there are a lot of templates that you can use to create your YouTube intro. There are a lot of templates. So we are going to create an intro. I'm going to create an outro. Yeah, so we're going to use this one. We're going to select this, and as you can see, we can just edit this video. We can edit, click here, and for example, let's say you have a vlog and it's called Africos. So Africos, you can add your name if you want to add your name, King Charles, and then if you want to add any other write-up here, I don't think I need any other write-up here. I just need this. Take this off, delete this. If you want to change the color, you can change it here. If you don't want to use black, if you want to use this color, I'm just going to revert to the previous color. So yeah, I'm just going to use this color to show you. So you can change the colors of all these elements. So now this is 9 seconds. This is very long. I suggest that if you're trying to create a YouTube intro, it shouldn't be more than, in full, it shouldn't be more than 10 seconds. 10 seconds is long for me. 5 seconds, 6 seconds, 7 is okay. So for me, I think within 4 to 7 seconds should be your YouTube intro. So I'm going to reduce this to, this is 9 seconds. This is too long. I'm going to reduce this to 3. And I'm going to add something else here. And if you want them to subscribe or something, we can use this. But we're going to add another page. Click on add page. We still want to use something like this, so we'll add it here. We'll add this. Let's add this. Like, share, subscribe. So you can see this is different colors. If you want to play this from the beginning, you see that it's kind of, they are not the same color, so it doesn't match the branding. Since you want to tell them to like, subscribe, and also comment, see, it's different colors. So if you want to change the color, you can click here and change the color to, let's say this. See, it's the same color with this. You have changed the color. You can also change the color of the text. Change it to this color. That's the color. Change this to the color. It's very easy. You're done with your YouTube intro. So this is your intro. So 3, we'll reduce this to be 3. You're done. This is your intro. So you can copy some elements here. Take this, select this, I want to add something else. Select this. Let's copy, Control C, copy, then go to the second page and click Control V to paste. Let's move this. Let's move this here. So if you want to play it, it's in total like 6 seconds. So if you play it, you can add a background song, and it's even too long. This is 2 seconds. It doesn't need to be that long. Yeah. So you can add sounds to it if you want. This is an intro. We can export this. For example, if you want this like this, you can export it. You click on export and then click on download MP4 video, and you can see it's downloaded. If you want to watch it, you can see Africa's. Like, subscribe, share. We are done. So if you want to create an outro, it's the same thing. We're just going to look for a good outro video. It will help you recommend, content to your viewers so that your viewers can keep watching your videos. We're going to look for a good outro template here that we can use. So we're going to use this, for example. Now you can see you can use this for your outro. Maybe change this. Thank you for watching. You can just say, write the name of a channel here, Africos. You can write the name of a channel or just write subscribe here. You can just put subscribe there. And then this is just a template for outro. Here you're going to recommend another video when you're uploading a video, and another video is going to be here that you recommend for them to click. This is actually a good template. And then you're done with your outro video. This is your outro. You can just change the color to what you want. This, you can change it to same color you use for the intro. So this is very easy. I'm done creating intro and outro. So for the outro, you don't need to add sound effects. If you want to add sound effect, then that's fine. Whatever you're done, just download and you have your outro video. So let's take this a step further. If you want to add sound to the intro, like clicking sound for the like, comment, and share, it's simple. If you don't know where to get the sound from, you can just search on Google to get the sound, or just go to YouTube and search for like, comment, subscribe, or like, comment, share. And then videos are going to come up with just like template videos that has the sound for liking, share, and commenting and all of that. Then you copy the link, download the YouTube audio, extract the YouTube audio. If you don't know how to download YouTube audio, just go to Google and search for YouTube downloader, and then you can download audio files from YouTube video. So when you download the video, you go to CapCut, import the video, and then import the sound. You import the sound that you downloaded from YouTube, or import the clicking sounds that you've downloaded. Just edit it the way you want. Cut out the parts that are not necessary. There are a lot of things that are not necessary here. We just want the clicking sound, so you're going to cut out this part. You can just put this. So if you want to reduce the speed of it, just take it back to like 0.4. So yep, this is it. We do this, and then so let's just zoom in closer and do this quickly. Like, so let's export this video. Click on export, and we just export it, and we are done with the video. This is how the video looks. So you can see how easy it is to create a YouTube intro or outro. It didn't even take us up to 10 minutes and we are done with creating the YouTube intro and outro. Well, you might want to like make your own look, unique, and add some other elements that you might want depending on your niche and depending on your channel, what your channel is all about. If you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe, turn on the notification, and if you have any questions, tips, or anything you want to share, just put it down in the comment section. I'm going to give you feedback. I'm going to reply with a video. You want to check out this other video, seriously, check this video out. Cheers.